In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Loop with external users. First, let's dive into Microsoft Loop, Microsoft's dynamic and flexible canvas that brings collaboration to new levels. If you're working on a project or document that requires input from users outside your organization, sharing it through Microsoft Loop is a straightforward process. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to the Microsoft Loop website. Here you'll come across the sign in option, click on it. You'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and fill in those details, then click next to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your main Loop page. This is where all your Loop documents and projects live. Now, to share a specific document with someone outside of your organization, navigate to the document you want to share. At the top right of the document, you'll find the Share button. It's hard to miss. Click on Share, and a new window will pop up providing you with sharing options. Focus on the page link option. This is what you'll need. By clicking on the page link, Microsoft Loop automatically generates a unique URL for your document. This URL can be shared with anyone, and they'll be able to view or collaborate on your document depending on the permissions you set. After clicking on the page link, you'll notice the link is now copied to your clipboard. But before you rush off to share this link with your external users, make sure you click on the close mark X on the sharing dialog box. This ensures that the sharing settings are applied. Now you're ready to share the copied link with your friends, colleagues, or anyone outside your organization. Whether it's through email, a messaging app, or any other communication platform, just paste the link and hit send. The recipient will now be able to access the document through the link. Here are a couple of additional tips to ensure a smooth collaboration experience. Double check the permissions before sharing. You can adjust whether recipients can edit or just view the document. Consider following up with your recipients to confirm they have received the link and can access the document as intended. And there you have it. Sharing Microsoft Loop documents with external users is as simple as that. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. With this knowledge, your collaborations are bound to excel, breaking the barriers of your organizational boundaries.